We'll guide you through how to integrate Trello with Outlook seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head to the board you want to link with Outlook. On the board, find the Power Ups option usually located at the top of the page, and click on it. In the search bar, type Outlook to find the Trello add-in for Outlook. Click on the Add button to enable this power-up for your board. Now, open Outlook on your desktop. Go to the Store icon, often found in the top menu, and search for Trello in the Add-ins section. Once you find it, click Add or Install to integrate it into Outlook. With the add-in installed, you can now create Trello cards directly from your emails. Simply open an email, and you'll see the Trello icon in the top ribbon. Click it, and a sidebar will open, allowing you to select the board and list where you want the new card to appear. You can customize the card's title and description using the email's content, making it easy to manage tasks and projects without leaving your inbox. This integration not only saves you time but also keeps your workflow organized by linking your communication and task management seamlessly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.